Accordingly. He was very persuasive. Accordingly, I did what he asked. After. After the train left, we went home. Also. She is my neighbor, she is also my friend. Although it was after midnight, we didn't feel tired. And she tried and succeeded. As he is my friend, I will help him. As we watched as the plane took off. As if. She talks as if she knows everything. As long as we cooperate, we can finish the work easily. As long as he has lived there as long as I have known him. As soon as. Write to me as soon as you can. As though. It looks as though there will be a storm. Because. We had to wait, because we arrived early. Before. I arrived before the stores were open. Besides. I like the job. Besides, I need the money. Both, and. He is both intelligent and good-natured. Consequently. She had a fever, so she stayed at home. Either, or. I will either go for a walk or read a book. Even if. I am going out even if it rains. Four. He is happy, for he enjoys his work. Furthermore. You should stop smoking. Furthermore, you should do it at once. Hence. He is a good friend. Hence, I was not embarrassed to ask him for help. However, we wanted to arrive on time, however, we were delayed by traffic. If she is here, we will see her. Then. If that is true, then what happened is not surprising. In case. Take a sweater in case it gets cold. Lest. I watched closely, lest he make a mistake. Likewise. The region is beautiful. Likewise, the climate is excellent. Moreover. She is very intelligent, moreover, she is very ambitious. Neither, nor. He is neither rich nor famous. Nevertheless. They are proud. Nevertheless, I like them. Nonetheless. The ascent was dangerous. Nonetheless, he decided to attempt it. Nor. I didn't see it, nor did they. No sooner, than. No sooner had I reached the corner, than the bus came. Not only, but also. She is not only clever, but also hardworking. Or. Did you go out or stay at home? Or else. Please be careful, or else you may have an accident. Otherwise. We should consult them, otherwise, they may be upset. Providing, provided. All will be well, providing you are careful. Rather than. I would rather go swimming than go to the library. Since. I have been here since the sun rose. Since. Since you are here, you can help me. So as to. I hurried so as to be on time. Still. It is a long way to the beach. Still, it is a fine day to go swimming. Supposing. Supposing that happens, what will you do? Therefore. I was nervous, therefore, I could not do my best. Thus. He traveled as quickly as possible. Thus, he reached Boston next day. Unless. Unless he help us, we cannot succeed. Until, till. I will wait until I hear from you. Whereas. Whereas this is a public building, it is open to everyone. Whereas. He is short, whereas you are tall. Whether. Have you decided whether you will come or not? While. While it was snowing, we played cards. While. He is rich, while his friend is poor. While. While I am not an expert, I will do my best. Yet. The sun is warm, yet the air is cool.